Said half a lemon. Learn that we need to read our recipe.
Well, I thought I did read it. Oh, I don't need to do that. I've already got one right here. Dude, I'm telling you, I'm actually really hungry right now.
Take my day, pump up the gym, pump it up while your feet are stumping, and the gym is pumping. Look at him.
This Thursday, we've got a Delish Magazine, and we're making their smoked salmon cream cheese toast. What page was it? It's a mouthful, but let's find out if it's good.
I didn't memorize the page numbers.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell.
Clean your ears. Clearly did not listen.
Now let's get cooking. So we might as well just jump into it, because these flies aren't gonna leave us alone.
Nope.
This trendy recipe, I guess, I don't know, is it really trendy? It's in a Delish magazine, so it's gotta be.
They keep up with the trends.
Yeah,
so,
they do. They do. And we already oiled the other side of this baguette.
I just cut the little baguette on the bias.
Uh-huh. We got our oven at 350.
No, we just got it on toast.
Oh, we just got it on toast?
Yeah, we're just going to toast it for 10 minutes. If you have a toast oven.
I thought it said 350.
No, that's a different.
Uh-huh.
Oh, well, that's if you don't have a toaster.
That's right. We've got a toaster, oven, air fryer, all of the above.
Yeah. So we're going to do it the easy way. Yeah. I mean, we're going to buy their stuff a little bit, but.
Anyways, you know, the recipes are just suggestions. Yeah, give me that bowl.
All right.
Okay. I need the zester, because we got to do, well, it's a tablespoon of zest. We're just going to do one of these giant lemons.
Mm-hmm. And while he's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and chop up the dill for it and the chives.
Perfect.
So,
Man, zesting can be quite a hassle.
but it smells so good.
Yes, it does. It's definitely worth it. Zest adds a lot.
And the dill.
Yeah, go ahead. It's a big dill.
There we go, a little more. We'll save that for a little bit of garnish.
And I know we've said it before, but you want to make sure when you're zesting you don't get any of the white, because the white's really bitter and does not have any flavor. So there's no point in getting it.
And the recipe called for some chives.
Yes.
I'm honestly going to go on a limb and say this is pretty good.
Oh, I can almost guarantee you this is going to be delicious. I mean, smoked salmon, cream cheese, dill, lemon, chive.
Where are you going wrong there?
I know, there's nothing wrong with that.
I mean, even the flies want it.
Dude, I'm telling you, I'm actually really hungry right now. So this is this is us actually cooking for us.
Yeah.
What?
It said half a lemon.
I thought it said a tablespoon.
That's lemon juice.
Oh.
All right, again, we're going to go back and learn that we need to read our recipes first.
Well, I thought I did read it. Oh, I don't need to do that. I've already got one right here. Boom. I'm just going a little crazy.
Yes, you are.
It's okay. Hey, like we said, it's just a suggestion.
Yes,
That's all it is.
What? So you're just going to add that? I mean, it already smells good. Like,
Oh, it smells absolutely delicious. And we're adding a little block of cream cheese that we softened. Very important. Otherwise, you're not going to get a good mixture.
That's right. And I'm just cutting up some garnish while he's going to be mixing that.
Yep. Now let's see. Let's go ahead and get it on one. Maybe.
There you go.
There we go. Okay. You know, this mixer, it's a little iffy, but
yeah, once it gets going.
Yeah, once it gets.
Likes it. Oh, that smells good already.
Yeah, and then we want to get this nice and airy and fluffy.
That's right.
They say it takes about 2 minutes, but with this mixer, it might be 5.
The toast is done.
Perfect. And so is the cream cheese. Ooh. Oh, yeah. All of the nice thing about this thing is it does sit. And it doesn't make a mess.
That is.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
You got those nice and crispy. But like, not overcooked. They're crispy.
Toasty.
Yeah, they're tostinis. Okay.
All right. Oh.
So, I don't mess this up. What's next? Because apparently I messed up already.
Well, I think we're just going to
Take the cheese mix, put some on
spread
there.
a little.
Ooh, that looks delicious.
And then we're missing the one big thing of smoked salmon cream cheese toast.
The salmon.
And just,
and this is, sorry, this is some good salmon too.
Yes, it's not like the Gravelox. It's more.
No, it's like actual smoked salmon.
Yeah, it's the chunky. I prefer it. It looks like they use the kind of the Gravelox, the really thin sliced stuff.
Yeah, they definitely use the Gravelox. Wow, that looks delicious.
Well, that's the name of the magazine.
That's hilarious. They did that on purpose. You don't have a spoon for the mustard?
No, I use it for the cheese.
Oh.
Dollop there, dollop there.
What, are you going to cut it in half?
No, I was just going to give it to you.
All right. Here we are. Taste test time.
See, and like you, I'm being nice. How is that? Good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, even the fly wants it. All right.
Mm.
Well, use your words.
I'm sorry. It's just so good that I want to finish it before I start talking about it.
Oh, well.
Oh, it's so good. And I like the amount of lemon zest that I did. Now, I really like lemon, so that could be a little biased, but the cream cheese mix is really good and it pairs very nicely with that salmon and the Dijon and like the spiciness of the red
Dijon?
onion. I mean, the stone ground. And then the capers, little flavor bombs. It's really good. Are you ever gonna eat a piece? I mean, come on.
Well, you know, it takes a minute to build these things.
That's
I
why
wouldn't-
you build a whole tray of them.
Yeah.
And it'd be
I agree.
great.
That's why you put this in a bowl and that and everything, and you let your guests build it themselves.
Mm-hmm.
Because who wants to sit there and make all the, unless you know, it would look nice on a nice tray.
Depends on the party. You could make a little tray of these pre-made and then have all the extra stuff with, so they can go by and make their own.
Well, that's good stuff. How could it not be? It's cream cheese. It's lemon.
Right? And then that salmon is just awesome by itself.
That is
So-
really good. All right, I'll give it 2. Delish.
I would say delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah, it is. It's very delicious. And it's low sodium. So
Well,
that's cool.
and salt.
Yeah, there's no added salt. I mean, there's definitely some salt in those capers.
No, I think that's where they're getting the salt from.
Yeah, exactly.
Capers and the mustard.
Mm-hmm.
So that's your seasoning. So that's
Exactly.
why, you know, a lot of people probably that make the spreads
Mm-hmm.
would add more salt. So it's
Yeah.
kind of a healthy alternative, as healthy as you want to be with cream cheese. And
Mm-hmm. And it's just a really cool idea because you can take this to all different kinds of levels. You could do like a roasted tomato cream cheese and maybe some, I don't know, pastrami.
okay, that's
Right?
a good idea. Why not? Sun-dried tomato cream cheese.
Yeah, that's what I meant to say. Sun-dried tomato. That would be awesome.
That would be.
Yeah.
I guess if you wanted to make them up, you just make them up real fast.
Yeah. Or if you were making a lot, put it in a piping bag and
That is true.
that would
But
be
the
a lot
key is
faster.
you do want your cream cheese softened.
Yes, that's a fact.
You don't want it all hard or it'll be a pain.
What are we doing here?
Well, I'm starting to build a nice little plate.
Okay.
You keep talking to them.
Why?
Okay, then let's eat.
That's what I'm thinking.
All right, well, y'all heard that. Y'all gotta go.
Yeah, we'll see you later. Keep it trendy.
Yeah.
Make my day. Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping.